Let's fill out the Virginia dog bill of sale together, so both the seller and the buyer walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the dog's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dog. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. The more specific you are, the stronger the record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying or selling a dog in this state, here are the key requirements to know. First, let's talk about age. A dog cannot be sold or transferred if it is under 7 weeks old, unless it is still with its mother. Next, vaccinations. Before a new owner takes possession of the animal, the dog must have current vaccinations against contagious and infectious diseases. These vaccinations need to be recommended in writing by a licensed veterinarian or follow written recommendations from the vaccine manufacturer. And they must be given at least 5 days before the new owner takes possession. When the sale happens, the pet dealer is required to provide an animal history certificate at the time the consumer takes possession of the dog. The dealer must also give the buyer a written notice of their rights before delivery of the animal. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.